This video tutorial we are going to discuss about the nested if-else statement in Python. First of all, I am going to open a Python script file, and now I am going to write the condition here. Just I am going to declare a variable uid, user id equals to int. Take the integer value from the user input, and then right here enter the user id and press enter, and then next pwd password is also integer int, and input as enter the message, enter the password, and now I am going to write here the condition if uid equals to 10, then write here the if, and then pwd equals to 20, then it will print the login successful, otherwise come to else part, print the message, print invalid password. Okay, now come to here and write the else, and write the message, print the message as invalid user id. Save it. Look here, first of all control come here, and we have to take the user id inside the uid variable and password inside the pwd variable, and control come here and check the condition. If the user id equals to 10, then the condition become true, and control come to this if statement which is inside this if statement, and now check the password. If the value of the password equals to 20, then the login, it will print the login successful. And if the password not match, or the value of the password not equals to 20, then control come to else part and print invalid password. And suppose that if the user id is false or not matched with the 10, on that case the control come to the else part and print the invalid user id. Now save it and run it. I'm just going to enter the value id as a user id as a 10, password as a 20. It will print the login successful. Now I am going to enter the user id as a 10 and password as a 10. It will print invalid password because the first condition match uid 10, but this if condition not match, so the control come to the else part and print invalid password. Now again run it, and now I am going to giving here the user id as a 20 and password as a 10, and press enter. Invalid user id because the uid equals to 10 and I have passed the 20, so the condition become false, and control come to else part and print the invalid user id. Thank you friends. Please like and comment my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot. You can also learn the nested if-else statement in the Python by using my own developed website Android 80.co.in. You will get all the examples here, like this UID and PWT, and also maximum numbers among the check the maximum number among the three numbers using nested if else statement. Thank you.